हाय, तो यहाँ पे मैं अभी गल्फूड दुबई में हूँ और यहाँ पे जो सेक्शन है वो फूड मशीनरी सेक्शन है। तो मैं आपको यहाँ पे बताता हूँ कि कौन सी मशीनरी जो है यहाँ पे बिक रही है, कौन सी जो है कंपनीज है उसमें अपना स्टॉल लगाया है मशीनरी बेचने के लिए। तो यहाँ पे वीडियो में पूरी मशीनरीज आपको दिखाता हूँ, चलिए, थैंक यू। तो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ मशीनरी जो है यहाँ पे बिक रही है। ये जो है कंपनी का नाम आपको चाहिए तो यहाँ पे ऊपर आपको मिल जाएगा। तो ये कंपनी का नाम है, ब्रांड्स भी है, आप देख सकते हो। तो ये देखिए आप बड़े ओवंस वगैरह भी आप देख सकते हो। तो ये जो कंपनियाँ है सारी ये मशीनरीज बना रही है, आप देख सकते हो। Hi.
We are Vista company and we are making closed grills for the restaurants, cafes and the smartphones. So you can see this is the closed grill. You have the protection screen here where you put the charcoal and you prepare the food. You have 2 racks so you can prepare meat and fish, vegetables and fruit. You can also bake pies and make pizzas.
Pies and pizzas also we can make in this?
Yes, you can make everything here.
Everything here?
Yes.
Okay.
Your chef can do whatever he wants.
Okay.
So we have different sizes, big industrial sizes for the restaurants
Okay.
and smaller sizes for the dealers. You use charcoal. Here you have the ashtray where the tray goes. And that's it. Very easy and very nice. The food prepared in closed grills is more tastier, is juicier, and it cooks very easy and very quick.
Okay, great.
Okay?
Yeah.
And here we have the barbecue and the smoker combined. You can make grills here, and you can smoke food here.
Okay.
Very nice for the villa sector.
Okay.
Very good product.
Okay, with wheels also?
Yes, it is portable.
Yeah, portable.
Whatever you want.
Oh, that's great. That's great. Yeah.
Okay, shall we continue?
Yeah.
Here also open grill. You can have it half of this side, twice, and 3.
Okay.
This is the big one, our
Yeah.
best seller. 2 racks, and you can cook for the restaurant of 100 people at a time.
100 people at a time?
For the restaurant of the size of 100 people.
Okay.
So it is good. And the small for the house.
Okay, for the house.
Yes, again, you can do everything here. Grill, bake, everything. The quality is good. The price is also good.
Okay. Yeah, thank you. And what about your company? Your company is from?
Our company, yes, we are the Russian company, Russian Federation.
Vesta from Russian company. So you export this product?
We export the product.
So in which country do you export these all the products?
We have our products in European countries.
Okay.
We also have them in Oman, in UAE, in Jordan, and in Kuwait.
In Kuwait. Okay. Great. So your company is manufacturer of all
We are
these
the
equipments.
manufacturer over there, yes.
Okay. That's great. Okay. So do you have any website or something?
Yes.
Uh,
It is. Let me show you.
Yeah, you can show me. Yeah. For more detail, we can visit here, right?
Yes, right.
These are all the detail. Okay.
Yes, our
Yeah.
main products, characteristics, and the certificates that we have.
Certificate. So which type of which certificate you have?
We have CE certificate for
Okay.
Europe, and we have Russian certificate.
Russian certificate and European certificate you have.
Yes.
Okay, that's great. So yeah, wonderful. Yeah. So thank you.
Thank you.
So these all equipments is made by this Russian company, you can see, and they are exhibiting its product in Gulfood Dubai. And you can see the salesperson is explaining practically. So people are asking me, sir, how to sell our product practically. So you can see here. Thank you. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो। एक्सपोर्ट इंपोर्ट के लेटेस्ट अपडेट के लिए हमारा टेलीग्राम चैनल ज्वाइन कीजिए और मुझे सोशल मीडिया पे फॉलो कीजिए, जिसका लिंक नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया गया है। एंड एक्सपोर्ट इंपोर्ट के लेटेस्ट वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और बेल आइकन को क्लिक कीजिए, जिससे आपको जैसे नया वीडियो आएगा नोटिफिकेशन मिल जाएगा। लेट्स गो ग्लोबल टुगेदर। थैंक यू। जय हिंद।